Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be doing a breast cup pattern. So here I'm showing you my yarn. I use Red Heart most of the time. It's for medium weight and the color is called Buff. And then I'm also showing you my measuring tape. I have centimeters and inches, that's what I was showing you. And then you'll need a pair of scissors. Today I'm using a 4.0 millimeter hook. You will need one needle so you can sew in the ends. Alright, so here I'm showing you how to measure. What I'm doing is starting from the middle of my nipple area to the base of my breast, and it's about 2 inches. And then I'm also measuring from one side of my breast to the other side, trying to keep it in the center where it's like the highest point of my breast, so that way it's the most accurate measurement, and that looks like it's about 6 inches. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and start my chains. Basically, you just want it to equal the measurement from the middle of your nipple area to the base of your breast. So mine was about 2 inches. So I ended up chaining 9, and then I added one more because I'm going to have to crochet into the second chain from the hook. So then that will bring it back down to about 2 inches. I'm doing here, I'm just single crocheting all the way down the row until we get to the last stitch. Okay, so once you get to the last stitch of the row, you're going to single crochet in that same stitch 3 times. And that makes the tip of the breast cup. And then from here, what you'll do is you'll just continue onto like the underside of the work, and you'll single crochet all the way across. And hopefully this makes sense, but I'm holding the yarn from my very first chain behind my work to kind of help tuck it in, and then I clip it at the end. So that way it's super tucked into my work and hopefully does not come apart. After you finish the end of that side, you will chain 1 and turn your work, and you will continue doing the same thing. So you will single crochet until you get to the middle chain of the 3 that you did in the top of your last row, and you will chain 3 into the middle chain. So here I was showing you which one was my center chain, so I'm going to single crochet here, and then we are going to do 3 single crochet into the middle, and then we are going to single crochet all the way to the end of the row, and then chain 1 and turn and continue the same pattern. So in this clip, I'm just trying to show you guys how the more rows you do, you'll kind of get these little circles that should be about in a straight line going up. And that's just the center of the breast cup. And, you know, as long as you're doing it the correct way, it should look like a straight line of little circles, if that makes sense. That's what I'm trying to show you here. Alrighty, so in this clip, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just showing you how I weave in my ends. Basically, I just put her in there and knot it a couple times, and I usually don't have any problems. So I just wanted to keep this clip in there just in case anybody doesn't know how. This is how I do it. But yeah. Here I'm just showing you my measurements. I'm right at about 6 inches, which is where my measurement was from the middle of my breast to the outside of my breast. And then I'm showing you all the way from the base to the top was about 5 inches. Thank you guys for watching. I've been getting so many subscribers lately. It's like blowing my mind. But that's why I'm trying to get some new videos out for you guys. Throw me some suggestions in the comments too, like if there's anything that you guys maybe are curious about me or crocheting or whatever. I'm into gaming. I do all kinds of stuff, so just let me know. I would love everybody's feedback. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.